So I'm done. Hello. Friday midterm class presentation shit is over. So Friday has now begun. Happy Friday, everyone. I've bought myself, and that is not your pillow, Polly, it's just your pillowcase. Alright, I've bought myself a little reward for finishing midterms. There are some girls on campus who have started their own little cupcake delivery service, and I thought it'd be a great idea, oh look at that, to reward myself with some mint chocolate cupcakes. Yeah. Don't those look good? Don't you want those? Yeah, those are, yeah. Look at that. Oh, they smell so minty. I love mint. I love peppermint. Peppermint's fantastic. I just love peppermint. It makes me feel good. It like calms me down. I don't know what's wrong. Something's wrong with me. I need help. But anyway, peppermint calms me down. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna eat those right now. I can't believe school is over for the half semester, I guess. It's great. Now I can concentrate on going to South Korea. What should I do? Una said I shouldn't eat the live tentacle things. Maybe I won't. I won't bring it up in conversation. How about that? I won't seek it out. But if the opportunity comes to me, I don't know. I'll have to decide then for sure what I'm gonna do. And also, I got a comment. Yes, I got a comment from someone that I don't know on one of my videos. It's an actual Nev. Oh my god, an actual non-existent viewer commented on one of my videos. It is really exciting for me. I know comments on videos aren't very exciting for those who get, you know, thousands and thousands of comments a day, but I barely get any. And when I do get them, it's from Polly or Una or Mary. Not to say that I don't appreciate them, because I love them and I read every single one of them. But today, I got one from someone I don't know, which is exciting. That means people are watching. And today's a kind of a crap video. I'm sorry. Sorry for that, you know. The day people watch is kind of crap. But guess what? Like I said, I'm going to South Korea. On Tuesday morning, I'm leaving for South Korea. So that will be exciting. That whole voyage, everything will be really exciting for everyone who watches. I think it will. And if not, then I'll be severely, severely disappointed. So I'd like to welcome the commenter. I don't know if I should say his name, her name, his name. I'm not sure. But welcome. Welcome to the community of non-existent viewers. You are now an honorary member. You will always be remembered as the first member. So you are truly, truly, truly first on YouTube. Although you don't know it. You don't know it, but I know it. And you're super cool, and I love you. Even though it is Friday night, and I know people do very exciting things on Friday night, I have to be lame and go to sleep early. Because I'm just super tired. I'm really exhausted, and tomorrow I need to wake up and do some last minute shopping since on Sunday everything's gonna be closed. So, good night everyone. Good night Una. Good night Polly. And good night to my new non-existent viewer. I love you so much. Yeah. And because see, it's the first time someone commented that's a legitimate comment. It's not like a spam comment or, you know, if you don't like this post in 12 minutes, then someone will come and kill you with a dog named Scruffy. So good night, everyone. It is time for me to go to bed. Be lame. I might watch a movie. I might fall asleep while watching said movie. However, I will watch something and go to bed. Alright. Good night. Tomorrow's going to be more exciting because I don't have school to deal with. School really, like, eats up so much of my time so that when I actually have time to, like, do things that are exciting, I'm just exhausted. I'm just exhausted from school so that I don't have the energy or just the like mental capability to think of something to do to like film and whatever. Not that I stage what I film, because I don't. It just filming is something also keeps me motivated to do exciting things. Because I'm like, I'll do something exciting and I'll film it and then people will watch, hopefully. Eventually I'll have a following, or so I hope. If not, that's cool. It's just me and a couple friends, and the new Nev, him. We will be great friends, and because like I said, I'm filming, you know, my senior year at college, just so that when I'm 150 and riddled in debt, I will be able to look upon this footage and be like, when I ask myself, why did I go to college? How did I spend so much money? Why am I so much in debt? I'll be able to look back upon this and go, I did some exciting things. It wasn't that bad. Maybe it was worth it. Hopefully it'll be worth it. So, good night, everyone. Do you hear that noise? Oh my god, I don't know what it is. But it's this high-pitched whistling noise that just needs to stop. Oh my god. It's like 11:30 at night. This noise needs to stop.